If you want to create a CapCut template that other people can use, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply to become a template creator, how to build your project the right way, and how to export and publish your template to the CapCut community. This is a great way to share your style, help other creators, and potentially grow your audience faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is to apply to become a creator. Open your browser and go to capcut.com/partners/template-creator-US. Once the page loads, look for the Apply Now button and click it. CapCut will walk you through the application steps, so complete everything carefully and make sure your account details are correct. This part is important because you need creator approval before the Share as Template option becomes available inside the app. If you do not see that option later, it usually means your creator approval is still pending. Once you've applied, the next step is to build your project in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Now begin editing your template just like you would with any normal video, but with one big difference. You need to design it so other users can easily personalize it. Add your clips, text, transitions, effects, and music the way you want the final template to look. Keep it clean, simple, and easy to recreate. If you want people to replace parts of the video, leave placeholders where their own media will go. That could mean using blank sections, sample footage, or areas where users can drop in their own photos or clips. When you're making a template, it helps to think about what other users will experience. The easier it is for them to customize, the more useful your template will be. For example, if you're adding text, make sure the text position is clear and visually balanced. If you're using effects, make sure they enhance the template instead of making it too complicated. If you're using music, choose something that matches the style and mood of the edit. The goal is to create a polished starting point that other creators can quickly use and adapt. After your project is finished, it's time to export and share it as a template. Go to the top right corner and tap Export. If your creator application has been approved, you should see an option that says Share as a Template. Select that option to continue. This is the key step that turns your edit into a CapCut template instead of a regular exported video. If you do not see Share as Template, double check that your creator approval is complete and that you're signed in with the correct account. Next, CapCut will ask you to publish the template. Add a title that clearly describes your template so people understand what it is right away. Then write a description that gives users a little more detail about the style, purpose, or use of the template. You should also upload a thumbnail that looks clean, attractive, and clickable, because this helps people notice your template inside the CapCut community. Once everything looks good, review your settings and publish it. And that's it. You've now learned how to apply as a CapCut template creator, build a project with placeholders, export it properly, and publish it for the community to use. This is a powerful feature if you want to create reusable edits and grow your presence as a creator. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step CapCut guides, and let me know in the comments what other CapCut features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.